Hey, Tanner Drost here with the Hot Tub Man. I'm working in the beautiful community of West. Just look at that view. And I got this Arctic Spa here in front of me. I'm going to change out this spa pack into a new one. Their old one kind of quit working on them, and we're just going to update them to have a new one. But what I wanted to chat about was why this hot tub is so hot. You can see the steam coming right off of it when it hasn't been running for a week. Because this customer took our advice and they got one of these. Now that's a space heater, and that's our favorite space heater. It's a Mastercraft barrel style, and you can buy them from us or you can buy them from Canadian Tire. And the great thing about that is it's going to heat up the cabinet. Now this only works in open cabinet hot tubs, not spray foam insulated, and that's why we love open cabinet hot tubs so much. That's going to keep the heat inside the cabinet. That's going to keep the plumbing nice and hot. And that's going to keep your water hot, because that's how these hot tubs are built. Same with strong spas. The heat generated from the pumps, in turn, heats the water. A lot of the time with these open cabinet hot tubs, the heater won't even engage in the summer. Just the heat from the pumps is enough to keep your water hot. And so the space heater simulates that. It keeps everything nice and toasty. It keeps your water nice and warm. And that means that in the event of an emergency, your breaker trips, something happens, the hot tub's not able to heat anymore, it's going to keep things nice and warm. You have all the time in the world. It doesn't matter if it's minus 30. If your hot tub's well insulated and it's open cabinet, a space heater is going to keep things warm. And I always recommend to keep them in there all the time, not just in the event of an emergency. The nice thing about this is it's got a thermostat on it, right? And so you set the thermostat to the temperature that you want it to be. Inside this hot tub cabinet, when it's running correctly, degrees Celsius, if not hotter. So that space heater is not going to kick on unless it needs to, right? In the event that a breaker trips, you don't notice it. Then it will kick on once it gets lower in temperature. It's plugged into its own 110 outlet. It's not plugged into the 220 power that's coming in the hot tub. And so it will save your hot tub in the event of an emergency like that. For more quick tips, visit our website at www.thehottubman.com/blog. Thanks so much for watching.